I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Python 3 is installed and then create an isolated environment. This prevents dependency conflicts. Once done, activate the venv and pip install only what you need. Make a minimal project layout, src, tests, readme, requirements, txt. Initialize Git now so you capture changes from the start. You'll save time later when debugging environment differences versus production. Keep commands short and explicit. Run python mvenv, then source venv /bin/activate or venv. Now you implement the app with a clear module structure and a main entry point. You should write small, focused functions and add unit tests as you go. Test-driven work prevents regressions. Once tests exist, run pytest and measure coverage to catch gaps. Make linting and formatting automatic with pre-commit hooks so style issues don't slow reviews. Use virtualenv scripts to run tests and linters uniformly. This ensures your development environment mirrors CI behavior and reduces works on my machine problems. Finish by packaging and deploying your application. Choose Wheels or a Docker image depending on target environment. Once built, run the package locally, then push tagged releases to your registry or container repo. Make sure CI runs your test suite, builds artifacts, and publishes only on successful pipelines. If something breaks, start by reproducing the issue locally. Check the active virtual environment, pin dependency versions, and inspect runtime logs for tracebacks. One key tip: run the same command locally that CI runs to isolate differences quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.